Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add any blockchain network to Metamask automatically. Now in order to do it, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application, and here let me tell you that nothing works like automatically. You will have to do some manual work into it. So in order to do it, you need to just tap on the drop arrow button in the top and select the add network option. Now over here you will be able to see some of the popular networks that you can tap on the add button and add right away into your Metamask account. Now there must be some of the networks that are not in this list. So in order to add them, you need to tap on the custom networks option, and if you have these details associated with that particular network, you can provide these details into this section one by one and tap on the add button in order to add any specific blockchain network into the Metamask account. So this was this step. Now you must be wondering how you can actually find the custom networks details. So whichever custom network you want to find, you can search for it on the web browser and you will be able to see the information associated with it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.